Mac.
We're going to remove the 12 key here. To do that, just take your tool, spudger, toothpick, paperclip, whatever you're using, put it underneath the bottom edge. Now take your finger and hold down the top part and just slowly pry it back till it snaps off like that. And now to remove the plastic hinge, take your tool, put it on top of the rubber cup but underneath the little plastic bracket, and then just slowly pry it back. And it should just snap right out like that. And these are really small. Now get your replacement hinge. And you'll notice on this replacement hinge, you have a continuous piece of plastic at the top, and then you'll know it's separated at the bottom, and that corresponds to how we're actually going to place it into the keyhole. So let's do that now. Just drop it in there as best you can. Try to make sure it's a little flush. And now we're going to use our finger to push down on each side until it snaps into place. There we go. It looks flush. Now get your replacement F12 key. Place that just on top. Now we're going to use our finger to push down until it snaps a couple times or clips into place. And there you go. You've installed your F12 key.
Mac.
Yankees.com.